Hi everybody, Sammy Surf here. I'm going to show you how to draw this shark step by step. Stick around. Hi everybody, Sammy Surf here. We are going to draw a shark step by step. You need a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper. Follow along with me. The shark will be going towards the left. Draw one circle for the eye, and then inside put a pupil in there and then shade it on in. Totally very cool. Now we're going to draw the mouth. Papa ooh mouth, mouth, papa ooh mouth, mouth. Draw a line going across and then around and then stop. Oh yeah. Next up, we're going to draw the bottom of the jaw. A curved line going around and then going back and then stop. Oh yeah. Let's go back and draw part of the other eye, a curved line going around, and then draw the pupil and add some more shading, la da 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 da. Now let's draw the pectoral fin, a curved letter V over here on the right, and then part of a V on the left. Remember to practice, practice, practice. Behind the eye, you're going to draw a little line towards the right and then stop. That fin that sticks up in the water is called the dorsal fin. That's right, everybody. A curved upside down V. Totally radical. Let's draw the back of this shark. It starts at the top and then goes down, starts at the bottom and goes up and then stop. Oh yeah. Next, we are going to draw the caudal fin. An upside down V, a sideways V, and then another V, and then connect. You can make it big or you can make it small. Totally cool. Now let's draw the gills behind the eyes. 2 curved lines. Keep it simple, keep it silly. Now we're going to do the teeth. If you want it to be a happy shark, make letter U's. If you want it to be kind of a mean looking shark, draw letter V's. I'm gonna make mine kind of a happy shark. Letter U, letter U, letter U, letter U, letter U, going all the way around. And then upside down U's at the bottom. Totally radical. When you hear the word shark, you kind of look around. So let's write the word shark. S-H-A-R-K with an exclamation point. Totally radical. Let's add the speech bubble. A curved line going towards the right, towards the left, and then a V going towards the shark. Oh yeah. Sharks swim in the ocean, so let's make some water from the left going towards the right. I always like to add shading, da 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 da, yep, ba da ba da. Hey! We are almost finished with our shark. Around the pectoral fins, add some action lines, and around the caudal fin, and then around the dorsal fin. So it makes it look like your shark is swimming through the water. Radical! Totally radical. You just drew a shark with me, Sammy Surf, step by step. Virtual high five, virtual high five, virtual high five. Awesome job. Radical! Thank you so much for watching. It's Capo Toon time. You just did some distance learning cartooning. Totally cool.